Hello everyone, this is Lakshman. I am from Vishnu Institute of Technology. In this video, we are going to learn how to create login page and a sign up page and storing the information or details that are given by the user in the Firebase using the Express.js. Okay, first we need to have a folder, main folder. Here I have named it as 401. In this main folder, I have another folder called views. In that folder, there are three ejs files. Ejs means embedded javascript. Later we can see. Okay, in the main folder there is an index which is of type javascript, and another is service account key. The service account keys can be obtained from the Firebase. Here you can see by clicking on the settings button, project settings, service accounts. It takes some times to load. Here you can see generate new private key. By clicking on this button, a file of JSON will automatically download. That file should be placed in this main folder. Okay, let us see the code. I am opening VS Code. Here you can see this is the index.js file. Here express, body parser, Firebase admin, path. These are the packages that we all need to install in our system before running these in our command prompt. Okay, I have already installed those modules in my system. Okay, later I have created an instance of Express with the name app. Here for we have to interact with the Firebase. We require the service key. Here the service key.json that we placed in its folder. Okay, and next we have initialized the app with the credentials, and next we created the Firestore database called DB, and next we can see that I set the EJS file as the view engine for rendering dynamic content. And next you can see that I have set the directory where the view templates are located. View templates are located in views folder. And next there is the body parser. This is for parsing the incoming request bodies in the middleware. And next you can see that this is the route. You have to know about these routes clearly. Okay, here I have defined a route handler for get request to login. It renders the login view template and passes an object with an error property set to null. This is the meaning of it. Okay, and next you can see that if the user enters details in the login page, if the email present in the database, then only he will access or he will log in successfully. If the email not exists in the database, he won't log in. So if any error arises, this catch function catches that error and raises an error message. And next you can see that this is the here I have defined a route handler for get request to sign up. It renders the sign up view templates and passes an object with an error property set to null. Okay, and next you can see that I have defined an route handler for post requests to sign up. It validates the submitted form data in the sign up page. Okay, these details are entered by the user in the sign up page. They are username, email, phone, password, confirm password. If the password is not equals to confirm password, the error is raised. The error is the password do not match. It also tests the phone number entered by the user. If the phone number doesn't contain exactly 10 digits, this error will arise. And next, by if the user enters the email already existing in the database, it raises another error called email error already exists. Okay. Upon these conditions, next, if the user enters the newly taken data or another data, the username, email, phone, or password are added to the database collection called users. Okay. And next, after successful addition of these details in the database, it will redirect to the login page. If any error arises in the sign up page, it raises the error message. And here the last one is app.listen. Here the 5000 is our port number, is our port. This is very important for us. Okay, this implies that the express application is started and it is listening for the incoming requests on port 5000. Okay, let us run this in our command prompt. I'm opening the command prompt. Okay, let us run the index.js file. Here you can see that server is running on port 5000. Let us check our local host by opening the Chrome. Check out the new tab and enter localhost 5000. Our port number is 5000. Okay, here the sign up page. Let us try to give some details: email, phone number, password, confirm password, and I'm clicking on the sign up button. Okay, it is loading. Okay, the login page is appeared. That means the entered details are stored in the Firebase data, Firestore database. Let us check whether they are stored in the database or not. Here you can see that in the users collection, a new document is created. In that, we can see the enter details. Let us log in. Let us log in with the same email that I have entered earlier. I'm giving the password. Click on the login. Here you can see that another page opened saying that login successful. Welcome back, Lakshmi. Here, let us see the pages that I have created. In the view folder, login EJS file contains the HTML, not a HTML. Here the code it is a form. Here you can see that email, password, etc. And here login successful page. If the login is successful, then this page is open. Here the sign up page. If the sign up is successful, login page is open. Okay. In this way,